homemade remedy for cough and cold in babies and children. This is the Indian borage or Mexican mint. It is also known as ajwain in Hindi, Karpuravalli in Tamil, Panikura in Malayalam. This plant is very hard, has thick fleshy leaves and grows quickly. They require very little water and can be grown both indoors and outdoors. These leaves have amazing health benefits. They are used for the treatment of a cough, cold, sore throat, nasal congestion and flatulence. To make this cough remedy syrup, take 5 to 6 fresh thick fleshy leaves and wash it well in water. Place these leaves on a hot pan to soften them. Squeeze the leaves completely to extract the juice. Give this extracted juice to your 6-month and above baby to get relief from cough. This juice acts as an expectorant to eliminate mucus or phlegm from respiratory tracts. Another method for kids above 1 year. Take 2 Indian borage leaves, a couple of tulsi or basil leaves, a pinch of ginger and a pinch of pepper. Add all these ingredients to a vessel containing half a cup of water. Boil till the water decreases to half of the level. Once it cools, strain it, mix it with a little honey and give it to the child 3 times a day. Discard the leftover water and make a fresh one next day. You can give this concentrated water for 3 to 4 days. This is helpful during the winter season when kids start falling sick. It also contains a lot of vitamin A and C and is an immunity booster. Even for insect bites, we can squeeze out the juice and apply on affected areas. The anti-inflammatory compounds can reduce redness, swelling, itchiness and irritation. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If so, hit the thumbs button and subscribe our channel Chubby Chicks. Thank you.